In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a Substack post. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a photo into your content quickly and confidently, without getting lost in menus or settings. First, open Substack in your web browser and sign into your account. It helps to have the image you plan to use already saved on your computer or device, so you don't have to pause to download or hunt for it later. Once you're on your Substack dashboard, look toward the top area of the page for the button that lets you start something new. Click Create to begin a new piece of content. This is your starting point for anything you want to publish. For this walkthrough, click Note. Notes on Substack are short, quick updates, while posts are full-length pieces. The process for adding an image is essentially the same in either, so using a note here keeps things simple and fast, while still demonstrating the exact image workflow you'll use in a post. Inside the editor, place your typing cursor where you want the image to appear so it lands in the right spot. Now click the image icon in the editor's toolbar. It typically looks like a small picture frame or landscape symbol. Clicking it opens your computer's file chooser, which is where you'll pick the photo to upload. Find the image you want by navigating to the folder where you saved it. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF work well. Choose a clear, high-quality image that supports your message. If you've named your files sensibly, that will make this step quicker. It's also a good idea to make sure you have the rights to use the image you select, especially if it's not something you created yourself. When you've highlighted the right file, click Open. Substack will begin uploading the image. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this might take a moment. You'll see the image appear directly in the editor once the upload finishes, right where your cursor was placed. If it's taking longer than expected, that's usually just the file size at work. Give it a moment to complete. With your image now in place, you're ready to share it with your audience. When everything looks good, click Post to publish. That's it. Your content, complete with the image you selected, is now live. Whether you're creating a quick note or a full post, these same steps will help you add visuals that make your writing more engaging and easier to understand.